Hello, my name is Sophie and I'm a student at the University of Birmingham.
This year, you might be going to more open days online. Here are our top tips to help you make the most of your day. Make sure you register. When you register, you'll be sent lots of information by email, such as links to talks you might be interested in. Check out the programme. Talks might be live and scheduled at specific times. Make sure you check out the talks you're interested in. You might still need to book a place on some talks if they're busy. Prepare questions. You'll have the opportunity to ask staff and students questions, so don't be shy, we're happy to help. Virtually explore. Use virtual tours to explore the campus. You'll get a taste for what the university is like and if you can imagine yourself there. Social media is also great for exploring. Find out more. Online open days aren't just subject talks. You'll also get to find out more about sports clubs, accommodation, and societies. We hope you enjoy your online open day.